Name a country you are not allowed to leave. Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And while you are thinking about the Iron Curtain and how during the Cold War you're not allowed to leave the eastern part of Germany, for example, or you could not leave Poland or the Soviet Union for lack of any better arguments, as in the sanity of the system, freedom was the big discussion in the 1990s when the Iron Curtain faltered. But today, are there countries today where you cannot leave them? And no, it is not the other group of usual suspects, it is Australia. A court in Australia just upheld an international travel ban in the interest of health and corona prevention. The court rejected a challenge that the citizens of Australia are not allowed to leave the country, so they are not bringing COVID home. While Australia created a safe bubble environment with an island-to-island structure, so Australians could visit New Zealand for vacation purposes or for business purposes, and Australia is looking right now to creating more of those bilateral island structures. However, the majority of the Australians who want to travel abroad cannot do that. As 30% of the Australians are foreign-born, Australia is one of the very attractive immigration countries in the world. Those 30% of the Australians have no chance to visit their relatives wherever they are. Civil liberty groups filed a lawsuit and the court upheld it and said, this is a reasonable exercise of the government's power and therefore you cannot travel. Whether it's right or wrong is a discussion maybe for a different time, but for now, keep in mind that global travel sanctions are right now more and more common, and what is the long-term effect on civil liberties, we will see. But for now, if you're an Australian, too bad we cannot greet you here in America.